everyone. I have another little demonstration for you guys, and I have my mom here to help. And so today we are making something called Ooblek. Now, Ooblek, all you need is cornstarch and water. Thanks, Vanna White. So with this, and this does get messy, so there's your warning. You put twice as much cornstarch as you do water. So we're going to do 1 cup of cornstarch and a 1/2 cup of water. Now, if you want to make more, you can just double it, or if you want to make less, as long as you have 2 times as much cornstarch as water, then it'll work. So would you put 1 cup of cornstarch in the bowl? Woo! Well, that'll work.
A little more will do. Okay, ready?
Yep, go ahead and pour it in. All right, and then now we're going to add the water and mix with our hands.
Do we do food coloring too?
If you want to. I'm just going to leave it locked. All right, so go ahead and mix with your hands. So this makes something called a non-newtonian fluid. And what that means is it acts like a solid and a liquid at the same time. So as you're mixing it, you can hold it and mold it just like a solid here. Try to get it. But as soon as you stop putting pressure on it and let go, it acts like a liquid. But if you hit it, it acts like a solid. So this is how you make Ooblek.